What is it again?
I cannot sleep in that room.
Shut up.
I cannot sleep there.
It's like something.
Come
on, get out. Come on, get out.
Oh, Papa.
Sit there, shut.
Now quit can't go baby this out. Are you ready for trouble? Yeah, boo. Check out the troublesome.
Money. Money, come. Wow.
Now quit can't begin with this. I struggle to sleep. And I go away. No waiting, they find you. I struggle to sleep.
Go boom. Morning, ma. What is wrong? Why is your face like that?
Are you not seeing my shop?
I've seen your shop. I know your shop now.
What are you talking about? Is this how my shop looks on a normal?
You think did not change you? Somewhere.
I need money to stock up. I don't have things in my shop again.
Could have said that. Said it. Could have said it before.
Today
that you need
I
money.
bought half crate of beer. It's unlike me.
Don't worry. If I work for this week,